2008 Toyota Tundra installed or not installed, already installed wired camera with a 7-inch monitor. The key is how to run a cable from the cab to the back of the truck. After looking into it and watching various videos, I decided to go a little different route, and I found that easiest one to do. Please let me know if you like it or not. Since I have my brake control up here, I already have a kind of little hole, half-inch by half-inch on the back of this compartment. So this is where I ran my power cable with a plug on and off switch, and goes underneath up here behind the dash. This compartment comes out, and this just using like two screws up here, so this cover comes out. So whole this area will be open. If you look underneath the truck, I ran my wires up here. So this yellow wire, this is a wire from the camera. This black cable goes to the back of the truck. So I use auxiliary hole right here that goes under the hood, and this is a rubber piece. It's kind of actually pretty soft. So if you can see from this angle, this where the black wire on the top comes out. So this is a camera cable that goes under the hood area and runs down so basically I attach it to the harness, and it just follows the harness to the back of the truck. You can see it right here, attached to regular harness, and basically the cable is long enough so to go to the back of the truck and comes out like this, and I zip tie it to this assembly, and it just comes out right here. So basically this is the cable. So when I hook up my camper up here, I can plug in the wire from the camera to another wire that attached to the camper.